Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change your country on Amazon Prime Video. So let's get right into it. Now, since Amazon Prime Video is directly tied to your Amazon account, or in other words, it is using your Amazon account, you're going to need to change your options or your preferences in the Amazon account you're using as a whole. For that, you're going to go into the Amazon site. Then once you're here, you want to go into hover over your account and then go into content and devices. Once you're here, you're going to want to go under preferences, and here you'll have all of these options. As you can see, one of them is the country/region settings. You just want to click there, click change, and here you'll be able to select your full name, your address, your country, and everything else. You can also select a address which you already have and just update it through there, but it depends on which addresses you have set up, or if you want to change it, you just go enter a new one and set that up as a whole, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.